Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley and this is video number 3 on my 10-part series on how to prioritize how you save. Step number 3 is just making sure that you're putting money away to ensure that you have an emergency fund. So building up 3 to 6 months expenses in a savings account is really important. That's why we've got it so high on the list. This is number 3 out of 10 in ensuring that you've got the right amount saved for emergencies. So that rainy day fund, you've got to figure out how much you spend each month. So figure out your rent or your mortgage payment, to figure out all your bills, and then of course you've got some discretionary spending for food and maybe travel. Once you figure out that number on how much you spend per month, times it by 3, all the way up to 6 times the amount you should have in a savings account for emergencies. And this is, for unexpected job loss, maybe there's a house repair, maybe your car breaks down, whatever the reason. It's called an emergency fund for the unexpected. And this is why we recommend that you start building it up. If you're starting from scratch, do a little bit each paycheck, or if you've got this chunk already tucked away, it's great. You can move on to step number 4, but it's really important that you have at least 3 months of emergency reserves in a savings account. So again, this is step number 3. If you have any questions on strategies to build up an emergency account, let me know. Shoot me a message, give me a call. Let's find a time to talk. Step number 4 coming up next. Hopefully you're finding this interesting. Thanks so much.